One of the easiest ways to add new recipes to your Project Groceries collection is to find recipes that have been shared by other schools. If I come over to this Discover page, I can see a list of all the recipes that have been shared by schools. And if I find a recipe I like, let's take for example this Caesar salad, I can click this add button and then begin finalizing it for my own collection. All the details are displayed here, and all I need to do is just make sure that everything matches. So there are 6 servings. I can optionally give this recipe a tag, and I can even update the method and finalize all the ingredients. By default, Project Groceries tries to match the ingredients to ingredients I already have in my collection. So for example, I already have bacon rashers in my collection, so it will already match this for me. But for some ingredients, I need to match them myself, such as this French baguette stick here. I can just look for baguette. Okay. There isn't an appropriate ingredient here, so I can just create a new one. And if I create this ingredient, yep, I should be able to now search for it. There it is, and voila. When everything is finalized, I can just scroll down here and click this create recipe button, and the recipe will be added to my collection. And just to confirm, let me come over to this recipes page, and here it is, the Caesar salad. Now, if I want to share a recipe of my own, there are a few ways I can go about it. If I have already created the recipe, I just need to open it and click this share recipe button, and now the recipe is shared, and I can just as easily unshare the recipe. While creating a recipe, I also have the option to share it. So if I just start creating this test recipe, I can toggle this shared option on and off. The same goes for recipes created by other means. So if I create this, I can toggle this shared option on and off.